Trying to use Gemini with voice, but it's not working or you can't find the option? Don't worry, this video will show you how to activate Gemini voice step by step. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Google in the Play Store. When you find it, tap on Update and wait for it to finish. Now open the Google app. Tap on your profile icon at the top. Tap on Settings. Next, tap on Google Assistant. Tap on Digital Assistants from Google. Select Gemini. Tap on Switch. Then tap on Use Gemini. Now go back to all settings. Tap on Voice Match. Turn on Hey Google. Tap More. Then tap I agree. Again, tap More and tap I agree. Now your setup is complete. Use a voice prompt like, Hey Google, to activate Gemini voice. That's it. Gemini voice is now enabled. Try it out and enjoy hands-free AI help. Thanks for watching.